Yeah, this is a diverter valve. A diverter valve is the type of valve that is used to control the flow of fluid, to direct the flow of fluid from one section to another, from one process line to another. Now, a diverter valve consists of various components. You have the valve body, which is shown here, the body of the valve. Then you have the inlet of the valve, then the outlet of the valve. The inlet of the valve is where fluid, either liquid or gas, enters the valve, while the outlet is where the fluid or the fluid, which is either liquid or gas, goes out of the valve. Now, apart from the inlet, the outlet, and the valve body, we also have what is called the actuator. The actuator is a component in the valve, the diverter valve, and in most valves, that controls the position of the valve. When it is triggered, the diverter valve is prompted to divert the flow, to redirect the flow of the fluid that passes through it. Now, there are two kinds of diverter valves. We have two-way diverter valve, two-way diverter valve, and three-way diverter valve. Two-way diverter valve and three-way diverter valve. Now, this particular type of valve shown in this video is a two-way diverter valve. Why do we call it two-way diverter valve? The reason is because it diverts fluid, in this case gas, between two process lines. The first one and then the second one. It diverts fluid, in this case gas, between two process lines. Now, when there are three process lines, the type of diverter valve used is the three-way diverter valve. But this one is two-way diverter valve because it directs flow of gas or liquid, in this case gas, and second line. Now, why is diverter valve often in some process line? And the reason is because of first, in order to divert flow between two process lines. Now, let's assume that a process line is not in use. Now, the diverter valve helps to direct the flow from the process line that is not in use to the process line that we intend to use. So, the essence in that instance will now be to ensure appropriate process condition, appropriate process flow to the region we want it to flow to get that we want the flow to get to. Now, another reason why diverter valve is also utilized in many process equipment is in order to ensure safety of the equipment, safety of the plant, safety of the process itself. Now, if certain equipment gets to the limit, to the threshold of certain, let's say certain temperature threshold, and then the gas entering it exceeds that threshold. Now, the diverter valve is triggered. The actuator in the diverter valve is triggered in order to help divert the flow of fluid, or which in this case may be either liquid or gas, from that condition, from that equipment to the other equipment via the second process line. In the case of a two-process line, or in the case of a two-way diverter valve. So in that case, any safety issue that would have occurred if that valve was not installed will be diverted or will be prevented. So the diverter valve helps to prevent safety issues in our process equipment.